In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete all pages and apps on iPhone home screen. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, the fastest way to clear your iPhone home screen without deleting the apps from your phone is to use the page edit method. This allows you to hide entire screens of apps in seconds rather than deleting them one by one. So what you want to go ahead and do is use the hide entire pages method. It's the most efficient way to clear your home screen, and the apps still stay on your phone, accessible in the app library, but they disappear from view. So what you want to do is long press in an empty area on your screen, and then all your apps are going to be shaking like this. And then what you want to do is tap the edit button on the top left, and then all you got to go ahead and do is press the edit pages button. Once you go ahead and press that, they're all going to look like this. And if you want to go ahead and remove any, all you're going to do is press the check mark, and then I'm going to see that remove button, and it's going to say remove this page. Apps on this page will continue to be available in your app library. So then that's literally it. All you got to do is switch it to that, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you want to reset your home layout as well, besides doing that, what I could also do is go over to my settings application. And then once I'm in settings, go over to general, and then scroll down, and I'm going to see transfer or reset iPhone. Then go ahead and click reset. Then I can also reset the home screen layout so everything is going to be at its original state as well.